Two Tour-Easy clones I built, this time on bike physics. After I converted 2 or 3 BMXs to recumbents, I decided to move in a different direction and build this long wheelbase from plans that Jerry Kranick gave me from Kranick's Bike Shop. The original plans called for just one frame, but I used 2 because I figured that lining up 2 bottom brackets would be a whole lot easier than trying to line it up on a big flat board like they recommend. This one was the first. I used 2 lugged road frames, and you can tell in comparison with the second that this was definitely not the best work. 2 tubes, parallel, 7/8 of an inch between the 2 bottom brackets, spaced as wide apart as possible for stiffness. I bent the fork a little bit to increase the rake, as they recommended, and it turned out to steer pretty well. It was my first, and so I just put some cheap parts on it, ran it for a while, and gave it to my dad. That tall handlebar is from some kind of exercise bike. I found it lying around in the neighborhood. For my second one, and last one so far, I used 2 mountain bike frames. Bigger tubing, stiffer, stronger rear triangle. I took a decent quality road fork and brazed on some cantilever brake bosses. I'm 6'5", so with my seat all the way back, I couldn't put brakes on the top of the rear triangle, so I put them on the bottom. The chain runs well underneath those brakes and goes forward and hits the chain tensioner in the middle. It's the bottom half of a short cage derailleur that's position adjustable on that clamp. Then I figured, why not experiment? So I made this a compact long wheelbase by putting that bottom bracket up near the head tube. And this extra head tube halfway along the top tube is designed for maybe under-seat steering if I ever decide to go that way. It's a good quality build, and I didn't really have to change the rake and the fork at all to make it steer quite nicely. I went with 2 1-inch tubes connecting the 2 bottom brackets, spaced as widely apart as I could, adding gussets to make sure that the stiffness was good enough for my size. It took a while to put that joint together, but it's nice. Worked out pretty well. It's a close-up of the idler. It's the bottom half of an old derailleur, piece of angle, and a clamp. So that's my long wheelbase or compact long wheelbase over-seat steering or under-seat steering Tour-Easy clone. I liked it, but as you can tell, I moved on to a different project and don't ride it anymore. Thanks for watching. Get out there and pedal.